Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just going to show you how I achieved this look. This is the Cloud9 Swiss Lace wig in Cynthia. I must be blind or something. That definitely said Catherine. And I got mine in the colour T4 27 613. I'm gonna jump straight into it. I'm not gonna do a voiceover on this one. I have other videos of me basically repeating the same process. So if you wanna like hear me talking through what I'm doing, I'm going to link that video below. Go and check out PLUCKING Cosmetics to purchase this. I'm also gonna see if I can find you a link online. I'm not too sure if they'll have a link online, but I'll check. If I do find a link online, I'll attach that in the video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Let's jump straight into the tutorial.